Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So let's get started the video. Firstly, you should check the internet connection of your phone and restart the internet connection. If the Instagram feed is still not updating, try to connect Wi-Fi instead of using mobile data. The second option is restart your phone. Press the power button until the restart option shows, then select restart. The outdated version of Instagram could lead to the issue of Instagram not refreshing. To fix this Instagram error, you can update the Instagram app. Open Google Play Store, find the Instagram app and choose update. After the installation, open Instagram and check if the issue is solved or not. If you have tried the methods and find there is no way to fix this issue, you can report this error on Instagram. Go to your profile and tap on the menu button, click on Settings and navigate to Help, then report a problem. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.